Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Now, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, just want to say thank you and thanks for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate the time that you spend watching the videos. It's important to me that you find value in all the videos that I do. So I am Michelle. I usually rant about my personal experience as a loan signing agent. Today, I just wanted to briefly talk to you new um, notaries, right? Or people who don't even know what a loan signing agent is, because I get those emails in my inbox. What is a loan signing agent? I watch the videos and people say they make 1,000, 5,000, even 10,000. Do people really make $10,000 as a loan signing agent? Like, what is it? So I thought I'd talk a little bit about what a loan signing agent is. All right. So if I had to define it, I would say that a loan signing agent is someone who walks the borrowers through the loan signing process. Now, in layman's terms, what does that mean? Like, okay, what does that mean? So I witness people sign their loan documents, right? So this is the set of documents for a refinance that I have tomorrow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this set of documents to the borrower's home, and then they're going to show me their ID. I'm going to verify their identification, and then we're going to sign these documents. They're refinancing their home. And so the refinance cannot be completed until these documents are notarized and sent back to the title company. So again, a loan signing agent just walks the borrowers or the signers through the loan, through the loan process, okay, the loan signing process. That's it. Not that's it, right? Because you need to know where the signers need to sign, where they need to initial, where they need to date, where you need to sign, where you need to initial, where you need to date, where you need to put your commission stamp, where you need to put your commission expiration date. So you have to become familiar with loan documents if you want to become a loan signing agent. Also, you must be a commissioned notary public in the notary public, in the state in which you want to work. Or you cannot be a loan signing agent without being a notary public, okay? If you decide that you want to become a loan signing agent and you are not yet a notary, you would need to go to your Secretary of State's website, print off your form or apply online, whichever they allow you to do, and apply for your commission. Now, please read the rules and regulations there, because if you have a felony, there's certain things that your criteria that you have to meet in order to become a notary public. So again, visit your state's Secretary of State website, complete your application if you qualify, go ahead and send it in. You'll wait for your approval letter. Then you'll go in and get sworn in. They'll give you your commission letter. You can, order your, at that time, you'll have your commission number if your state provides one. You can order your stamp and your journal, your acknowledgments, whatever certificates you want to order, all your supplies, and then you can become a notary public. What I would suggest in that time is that while you're a notary, or when you first become a notary, learn how to notarize general acknowledgments, jurats, power of attorney, learn what a trust is. Like, get your practice in with doing that. The National Notary Association is a great website. They have great resources. If you decide to become a member, again, they have a resource section where you can print off like the terms. Like, this is an example of like the terms that they have from A to Z, or they have terms, acknowledgement, an affiant, an apostille, affirmation. You're going to need to know what these terms are, because when you see them on a document, you're going to need to know what goes behind by me, behind the affirmation, or what to put on the affidavit statement. Is a jurat's a sworn statement versus an acknowledgement. You witnessed them sign it personally. So you kind of need to know what those are. And I know I'm probably going into what could be another video topic. So Long story short, a loan signing agent just witness people sign their loan documents when they're refinancing their home. They could be buying a home, they could be selling a home, doing a home equity line of credit, a reverse mortgage. Any of those things that they're doing has to have signed paperwork, and it has to be signed by a notary public. Now, not all notary publics are loan signing agents, but all loan signing agents are notary publics. So just keep that in mind, okay? I hope that helped you out a little bit. You're the person that's going to take these documents to the borrower's home, to their work, to Starbucks or wherever, so that they can sign them, so they can finally close on their loan, so that they can either get their check back that they're expecting to get back or not. But they will be done with the loan process once they finish signing the documents. Now, again, there are times where a loan signing agent or a notary signing agent or a signing agent, all the same term, will just go and get an application. You don't have to notarize anything, but you are witnessing them sign the documents. You're getting their ID, you're collecting documents so that you can send back to the title company. So I just wanted to give you like an example, and I just used the refi, as an example. But loan signing agents, you can make money. You can make $1,000 part-time. You can make $2,000 part-time. You really, the money that you make is what you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. If you're a hustler and you're working a full-time job, you can work this thing part-time and still make, $2,000. I mean, or even more. I know people probably that are doing more. Can you make $10,000 a month as a loan signing agent? Yes, especially if you're going direct. Yes, you can, but you have to work at it. It's not going to just come to you. So if you're a lazy person and you don't want to go out and market yourself, this is probably not the job for you. I'm just going to be straight up. You can sign up for signing services, but you're not always going to get the order. So you got to be, you got to understand that, in this industry, people talk about being oversaturated. I just believe that what God has for you is for you. There are a lot of loan signing agents now, and there are not as many assignments as there used to be. But again, what God has for you is for you, and I'll do another follow-up on loan signing agent, on how you get work at a later time. I gotta finish flat ironing my hair, y'all. It's 7:40. No, this video is at 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes. All right, I'm gonna stop it here. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, bye.